Today we are going to discuss about Klaviyo Beginner Tutorial, Automate and Sell More 2.0-5. Are you ready to boost your online store sales without spending more on ads? Welcome to this beginner-friendly Klaviyo tutorial for 0.20-5. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Klaviyo to automate your email marketing, grow your list, and sell more, all on autopilot. Whether you're brand new or just starting out, this video is your step-by-step guide to getting results fast. Make sure to watch till the end. We'll set up your first automation that works even while you sleep. Section 1. What is Klaviyo and why use it? First things first, what is Klaviyo? Klaviyo is an email and SMS marketing platform designed for e-commerce businesses. It connects directly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Here's why people love it. It's data-driven. Klaviyo uses customer behavior to send the right messages at the right time. It's easy to automate. Set it up once and let it do the work for you. And it helps you increase repeat sales by turning visitors into customers and customers into fans. So if you're running an online store and you're not using Klaviyo, you might be leaving serious money on the table. Section 2. Setting up your Klaviyo account. Sign up page. Integration with Shopify. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to klaviyo.com and create your free account. Step 2. Once inside, connect your store. If you're using Shopify, it's just a few clicks. Klaviyo will automatically pull in your products, customer data, and past orders, so you're ready to start sending targeted emails from day one. Make sure your sender email address is verified. This helps your emails avoid spam folders. Section 3. Building your first email list. Pop-up form editor, list creation. Next, let's build your list. Click on Sign Up Forms in Klaviyo and create a new pop-up or flyout form. Customize the design to match your brand and offer a simple incentive like 10% off the first order to get more sign-ups. When someone fills out this form, they're added to a list in Klaviyo. Remember, you can't send emails without permission. This is your owned audience. Treat them well. Section 4. Creating a campaign email. Klaviyo Campaign Builder. Now, let's create your first email campaign. The one-time emails you send to your list. Click Campaigns greater than Create Campaign. Choose email. Give it a name like Welcome Sale. Then pick the list you just created. Next, design your email. Klaviyo has drag and drop blocks. Just drag in an image, text, and button. Here's a tip. Keep your subject line short and catchy. Use personalization, like Hey first name, and always have one clear call to action, like Shop Now. Once you're happy, send a test email to yourself. If it looks good, hit send or schedule it for later. Section 5. Welcome Flow Automation. Your first flow. Flows tab. Creating a welcome series. Now for the fun part, automation. Go to Flows and click Create Flow. Start with the Welcome Series template. This flow automatically sends a series of emails When someone joins your list, you can start with 3 emails. 1. Email 1, welcome, and discount code. Thank them for joining and give them the promised discount. 2. Email 2, product highlights. Show off your best sellers or what makes your brand special. 3. Email 3, social proof. Share customer reviews, testimonials, or user-generated content. Set delays between emails, like 1 or 2 days, and make sure your flow is turned on. Now every new subscriber will get this warm, automated welcome. Section 6. Abandoned cart flow. Recover lost sales. Klaviyo abandoned cart flow. Ready to recover lost sales. Let's set up your abandoned cart flow, one of the highest converting automations in eCommerce. Start a new flow and use the abandoned cart reminder template. Here's the logic. If someone adds a product to their cart but doesn't check out within 4 hours, they'll get an email reminding them. You can add 2 or 3 emails here. Email 1, hey, you left something behind. Email 2, still thinking it over. Here's 10% off. Email 3, last chance before it's gone. Make sure this flow is only triggered for known users, meaning people whose email you've already captured. This one automation can bring back 15 to 20% of abandoned carts. That's real money. Section 7. Segments and Personalization. Segment builder showing high spenders, recent buyers. Klaviyo is all about smart targeting. Instead of blasting everyone, you can create segments. For example, VIP customers, people who've spent over $200. Engaged subscribers, people who opened your last 3 emails. Recent shoppers, people who bought in the last 7 days. You can then send custom campaigns to each segment, like a loyalty offer to VIPs or a restock reminder to past buyers. More relevance equals more conversions. Section 8. Analytics and Growth Tips. Analytics dashboard showing open rates, revenue. Let's check how you're doing. Go to your analytics dashboard. Here you'll see open rates, click rates, revenue per email, flow performance. Use this data to double down on what's working. Test different subject lines, images, or discounts. The goal: keep improving every week. Final words and call to action. Like, subscribe, download free Klaviyo checklist. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to Klaviyo in 0.20 to 5. You now know how to build your list, send campaigns, and set up money-making automations. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy selling.